Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could stop by for a 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Hey, last week I shared with you how to create these cute little faux metal buttons. Well, today in our 2-Minute Tuesday tip, we're going to talk about how to create colored buttons and have a little bit of shine on them as well. Let me show you how. I'm going to be using Coastal Cabana, and this piece is cut 1 inch by 4 inch, and then I have a strip of our multi-purpose adhesive sheet, the exact same size. I'm going to adhere these two together, just gently peel that apart, and you can see there's all this adhesive right here. So let me just adhere that together. I'm going to come in with a 3/4 inch circle punch, and I want to punch out 3 circles. Now with this spot that's remaining, we're going to come in with the 1/8 inch handheld punch, and I'm going to put 2 little holes fairly close together. Now because I want my button to be shiny, I'm going to peel off this backing just to about there. I'm going to come in with some clear embossing powder, and so we'll sprinkle that on right there. Now coming in with my heat tool, I'm going to heat set this. I want to let that cool for just a minute. I'm just touching the edge to make sure it's not sticky, so I'm good to go. I'm now going to come in with my 3/4 inch circle punch, and now I can line up and center up those 2 holes. I've come along with some of the Pool Party silver twine, and I just added that right there. Now, if you remember on my last video, and even if you didn't, here's a quick reminder. We're just going to peel off these backings. We're going to start layering these circles together. I've put my 3rd layer on, so that's 4 layers of circles all together to create that button. And now I have a button that's going to match any card I create. Really fun. And I like taking the extra time to do that shimmer. I did want to show you, here is a button that does not have shimmer, and it's really nice too. So if you don't want to take the time to do the heat embossing, you don't have to. But it is nice to know that you've got some options. And so now we can start creating some colorful buttons.